Hello everyone, now I'll show you how to make the crest of a toy, in this case of the bird. I'll make the crest with the same yarn that I crocheted the toy, it's yarn jeans in black. I threaded the needle and tied a knot. And now I will insert the needle from the edge of the head and bring it out in the center where we will have a crest. We hid the knot so it wouldn't come out of the toy. Now cut the yarn to the length that you want to see the crest of the toy. Do the same thing a few more times. Tie a knot. Insert the needle again from the side of the toy and then bring it to the top of the head. Hide the knot inside the work, pull the yarn to hide it, and cut the yarn again. Do this until you are happy with the thickness of your toy's hair. My bird's crest is ready. As you can see, the yarns are separated into parts and you get a fluffier crest. You can use yarn of any color and any thickness. If the needle doesn't come out well because you crocheted the toy tightly, you can use pliers to get it out. I showed you my way of making a crest for a toy. Share in the comments how you make it, maybe you have another way. Bye!